If you want to make your image stand out fast, one of the easiest things you can do in Pixlr is outline it with a clean border. This is great for thumbnails, profile images, product photos, stickers, or any design where you want the subject to pop off the background. In this video, I'll show you how to outline an image in Pixlr step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to control the thickness, color, and opacity of the outline for a polished result. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy design guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your project in Pixlr and make sure your cutout image is already on its own layer. This is important because the outline effect needs to be applied to the specific layer you want to highlight. On the right-hand side of the screen, look for the Layers panel and click on the cutout layer you want to outline. Once the correct layer is selected, go up to the top menu bar and click on Filter. This opens the list of effect options available in Pixlr. From that drop-down menu, choose Outline. Pixlr will now bring up the outline settings so you can customize the border around your image. The first setting you'll want to adjust is Size. Use the Size slider to control how thick or thin you want the outline to be. If you want a subtle edge, keep it small. If you want a bold, eye-catching border, increase the size a little more. Next, move the opacity slider to 100% if you want a solid, crisp stroke. This gives the outline a clean and strong appearance, which is especially useful for thumbnails and graphics that need to grab attention instantly. After that, click the color block to choose the stroke color you want. You can match your brand colors, use white for a clean pop-out effect, or choose black for a dramatic edge. Pick the shade that works best with your background and overall design. Now, before you apply the effect, there's one important setting to check. Make sure the Outline Only checkbox is deselected if you want your image to stay visible. If this box is left on, you may only see the outline effect without the full image appearance you're expecting. Once everything looks right, click Apply to confirm the changes. Pixlr will process the effect and add the outline directly to your selected layer. And that's it! You've now outlined an image in Pixlr in just a few simple steps. You can repeat this method for different images, adjust the border size for different styles, and experiment with different colors until you get the perfect look. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy Pixlr walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.